Okay, ayan. So, 10,000 parehas ng balances natin. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. And sa video natin ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng challenge. Okay, ito yung tinatawag ko na 10K challenge. So for example, meron kang 10,000 na hindi ginagamit sa iyong bank account. So worth it ba na i-risk mo to sa investment like investing in stocks? Or dapat iwanan mo na lang to sa bangko mo para safe yung pera mo. Kung na 10,000 yan, di ba? Hindi magagalaw yung iyong 10,000. So papakita ko sa inyo yung ating balances para makita nyo. Okay, so ito yung ating savings account. So kita nyo dyan. So ayan, hintayin lang natin mag-focus. So hintayin lang natin mag-focus. Ayan, so kita nyo naman, 10,000 yung balance ng ating savings account. And itong ating investment account. So tingnan natin yung balance. So ayan, pakita ko rin sa inyo. So ayan, 10,000 din yung balance. Ayan. Okay, so 10,000 parehas yung ating balance. Kung makita nyo. Okay. So hintayin natin mag-focus. 10,000. Okay, ayan. So, 10,000 parehas ng balances natin. So, after ilang months, or after 6 months siguro, or 3 months, or 2 months, or after a month, tingnan natin kung ano yung mas malaking amount. Okay, so dun sa starting natin na 10,000, hindi natin dadagdagan yan. Ano yung mas malaking amount? So, worth it ba talaga na mag-invest ka sa stocks? So, ayun, nakapili na naman ako ng stock na pag-i-investan ko dito sa 10,000. And ayun, isang stock lang yung pag-i-investan ko. And gumamit ako ng dalawang analysis. So, pag mag-i-invest kayo sa stock, dapat marunong kayo ng ating fundamental analysis or technical analysis or a combination of both. Pero dito sa ating selection process, ginamit ko parehas yung ating fundamental analysis to select kung ano yung stock na pag-i-investan ko. And then yung technical analysis to determine my entry and then exit point at a loss. And then ang aking exit point at a profit. So, ayun yung tatlong pinakamahalaga talagang tanong bago ka bumili ng isang stock, di ba? Kailan ka mag-enter, kailan ka mag-exit at a loss, at kailan ka mag-take profit. Kung wala ka nung tatlo, huwag ka na mag-invest, di ba? Kasi yung buong account mo will be at risk. Okay. So, ayan, simulan na natin yung ating selection process. Ang una nating i-discuss dito is yung fundamental analysis on how did I select this stock. So, ayun, ang ginamit ko dito is yung ating Graham's Intrinsic Value. Actually, may formula to. Ang formula nito is 22.5 times the book value per share times the earnings per share, tapos i-square root mo yun. Makuha mo yung intrinsic value ng isang company. Bakit ko ginamit ito, formula na to? Kasi para sa akin, yung intrinsic value na calculated neto is relevant dun sa pag-i-invest ko. Kasi it considers yung ating balance sheet using yung ating book value per share. Kasi yung book value natin, ayan yung assets minus liabilities. Makuha mo yung book value. So, ayun, kino-consider nito yung ating balance sheet, balances, and then yung ating income statement balances using the earnings per share. So both of the balance sheet and then the income statement is considered on this valuation and not the income statement alone or the balance sheet alone. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo dito, ito na yung ating valuation. By the way, CCLA pala is nag-IPO siya noong 2017. And kung makikita nyo dito, yung ating Graham's valuation is napakalayo sa ating current price. Kaya ayun, napag-isipan ko na mag-invest dito kasi I see more upside on this stock. So, on top pa to ng kanyang stock dividend kasi magkakaroon ito ng stock dividend na 123%. And I could participate on that on top of this very good valuation. And on top of this Graham's valuation, meron pa siyang dividend na binibigay. Kung makikita nyo dito yung dividend history niya, is nag-i-increase siya ng 0.05 every year starting from 2018 and makakakuha ko dito ng 3.07% hanggang 5.18% na dividend yield on top of stock price appreciation. Kaya ito talaga napili ko to CLI na pag-investan kasi maganda yung kanyang fundamentals and then yung technical analysis niya. So mamaya i-discuss ko sa inyo kung bakit medyo pasok rin siya sa aking strategy. Okay? So by the way, bago nyo gamitin itong Graham's Intrinsic Value na may formula na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, square root of the book value per share times 1.5 times the EPS times 15. So, basically, 15 times 1.5 din makikuha yung ating 22.5. Kaya ito yung ating Graham's valuation. And right now, 2021, so today is March 15, 2021, and today din ako bibili nito ni CCLI. And kung makikita nyo dito, is 10.34 yung ating Graham's valuation. While ang current price nyo right now, so tingnan natin, so CLI, ayan, meron siyang projected opening na 5.38. So medyo malayo pa yung kanya upside, di ba? So ayan, bibilin ko yan si CLI mamaya. Okay, so silipin natin yung kanyang financial statement kasi bago nyo ipasok itong Graham's intrinsic value, kailangan nating i-ensure na yung mga balances sa kanilang financial statements is coming from operations and not just unrealized. Kasi meron tayong mga companies na malaki yung mga unrealized gains nila, di ba? And ayun, hindi ka naman bibili ng company dahil sa mga unrealized gains niya. Bibili mo yung company na yun kasi you see yung operations niya is maganda and not just because of the valuations. Okay, so ito yung kanyang financial statement for the 9 months ended 2020 kasi hindi pa available yung ating annual report. Pero ayun, so I think maganda pa rin naman yung kanyang annual report kaya pwede natin gamitin itong kanyang 9 months na financial statement. Okay? So, tingnan natin ang kanyang balance sheet. So, kung makikita nyo dito, ito yung kanyang balance sheet. Meron siyang total assets na 49 billion. And tingnan natin yung pinakamalaki dito na mga amounts. So, makikita nyo dito, real estate inventory. So, ayan, highlight natin. Real estate inventories. Ito yung mga inventory or mga real estate na binebenta nila sa kanila mga customers. So, ayan, 11 billion, nag-increase siya. So, mamaya makikita natin kung yung increase ng real estate inventories is from the purchase of additional inventories para sa kanilang operations, di ba? So, tingnan pa natin yung malalaking amounts niya. So, ito malaki rin siya. So, yung ating investment properties. Mamaya makikita rin natin sa income statement kung meron siyang unrealized gain dito sa investment properties, kaya nag-increase ito or bumili sila ng additional investment properties for their future operations, di ba? Ayun yung mga dapat natin take note dito sa ating balance sheet. So, meron siyang 49 billion na total assets. Nag-increase siya ng 11 billion from the previous year. Ayan, tingnan naman natin yung kanyang liabilities. Kung makikita nyo dito yung kanyang liabilities, meron siyang 11.9 billion na current liabilities. So, i-compare natin to sa kanyang current assets. Ang current assets niya is 27 billion and then ang kanyang current liabilities 11.9 billion. So that's good kasi more than twice yung kanyang current assets. So lahat ng liabilities niya within the next 12 months is mababayaran pa ni CLI. Okay, so that's positive. Okay, and then when it comes to the non-current liabilities, ayan, so medyo malaki yung kanyang loans and borrowings. Pero ito medyo matagal pa naman siya babayaran. And ang kanyang total liabilities is 34 billion. Compare natin sa assets na 49 billion. So, mas malaki pa rin yung kanya assets kaysa sa kanyang liabilities. Kaya makakuha tayo ng equity natin na 15 billion. So, ayun, yung book value natin, 15 billion. Divided by the number of shares, makuha natin yung book value per share. Okay. And yung ating retained earnings, kung makikita nyo dito, malaki pa yung ating retained earnings. Oh. So, 4.6 billion and then 5.69 or 5.70 billion September 30, 2020. So, the company can still declare yung ating dividend. Pero alam naman natin na magkakaroon tayo ng 123% na stock dividends. And ayan, mababawasan itong retained earnings natin doon sa value no 123% na stock dividends na yun. Ayan, and meron rin tayo dito ng treasury shares. So ayan, bumibili sila ng kanilang shares kasi nakikita nila na mag-grow yung kanilang shares within the next 2 years kung babasahin yung kanilang report. Ayan, so 720 million yung total na accumulated shares nito ni CLI. Okay, so let us proceed naman sa kanyang income statement. Ayan lang yung sa balance sheet niya. So yung balance sheet niya, I think it is still healthy. So meron siyang positive retained earnings. And then yung kanyang assets is enough to pay yung kanyang liabilities. Okay, and then when it comes to the revenues, yung revenues ba niya is coming from operations or coming from valuations? So tingnan natin. Ito yung kanyang main line of revenue, yung ating sale of real estate. Ito yung pinakamalaki niyang source of revenue. Kung makikita natin dito, yung kanyang for 2019 versus yung kanyang for 2020, meron siyang 5.87 billion no 2019. And during this pandemic, 5.58 billion pa rin yung sale of real estate niya. Diba? Medyo malaki pa rin siya. So almost 300 million lang yung dinicrease despite the pandemic. And then when it comes to the gross profit, so ayan, so makita nyo yung gross profit niya is consistent naman yan. Compute natin yung ating gross profit margin. So ito yung ating gross profit margin. Makakompute mo siya by dividing yung ating gross profit from the revenue. And the company is able to retain yung ating gross profit margin na 49%. And that's good kasi kapag hindi mo na maintain itong gross profit margin mo, it means na kuwari nagkaroon ng increase in prices, di ba? And ayun, hindi mo siya na-charge sa customers. So basically, liliit yung gross profit margin mo. Pero in CLI's case, retained yung kanyang gross profit margin despite the pandemic. So that means that the company is able to charge yung kanilang cost sa customers. So that's good kasi that's additional revenue to the company. Okay? And then when it comes to the net profit naman, so ayan yung net profit margin niya, makukuha mo siya by dividing ating net profit over the revenue of the company. And ayan, so nagkaroon lang siya ng konting decrease, so 3%. So very immaterial naman yung kanyang decrease despite the pandemic, di ba? 3% lang siya. Okay, so ayun yung kanyang income statement. And wala naman tayong makikita dito na unusual na item. So wala siyang valuation na income na na-recognize. So that's good. So basically yung kanyang net profit is coming from its main line of operation. So that's good. Okay, and then let's see naman yung kanyang cash flow na status. Ito yung kanyang cash flow for the 9 months ended. Kung makikita nyo dito, yung kanyang net cash is negative. So ayan, net cash used in operating activity. So negative. So this is not good, di ba? If you will analyze it on a general basis. Pero kung i-dig down mo to, kanyang cash flows, kasi makikita mo dito, meron siya increase in contract assets na nagpa-decrease ng kanyang cash flows, and then real estate inventories, and then other assets, di ba? So basically, ang company is bumili ng mga assets, di ba? Like yung ating real estate inventories, and then nagkaroon siya ng deposit on land for future development, and then nagkaroon siya ng prepayment. So by the way, yung prepayment nito ni CLI is for the advances to contractor. So meaning, kasi pag may project ito si CLI, required siya na magbayad sa mga contractor bago ng mga contractor simulan yung kanyang project, di ba? Kasi kailangan din ng mga contractor ng funds. Kaya ayun, nagbayad siya for its future or for its current projects, di ba? So 1.34 billion. So ayun yung dahilan kung bakit nag-decrease itong ating operating activities. Pero ayun, that's good pa rin kasi it is used for the expanding operations of the company. Okay? And by the way, ito kasi mga contract assets natin and itong mga receivables natin sa real estate, di ba? Yung mga customers kasi natin dito is hindi agad dyan nag-full payment, di ba? So ayan, payable yan in like months or years, di ba? So hindi yan one-time payment. Kaya ayun, negative pa yung cash in operating activities niya. Kasi yung mga projects niya, kailangan niya ng bayaran right away, di ba? Pero yung mga customer niya, hindi agad siya magbabayad in an instant. I-installment siya ng mga customers. Kaya ayun, good pa rin yung analysis ko dito sa kanyang operating activities despite na negative ito. Okay? So ayun, on top of the good financial statements results of the company, meron pa siyang stock dividends na pending for approval by the SEC. Ayan, wala pa tayong date kung kailan yung ating stock dividends, pero alam natin na mayroong stock dividends ito si CLI. So on top ito nung ating financial statement analysis. Kaya bibiling ko rin to kasi gusto ko mag-participate dito sa ating stock dividends. Kung di nyo alam kung paano yung stock dividend play, please click on the video above. So meron akong tutorial dyan kung how do you profit from stock dividends. And by the way, a quick background dito sa stock dividends. Kapag kasi magde-declare ka ng stock dividends, kailangan mo ng dalawang approval. Yung board of directors, which is na-approve na ni CLI, and then yung 2/3 of stockholders, which is na-approve na rin ni CLI. So right now, yung stock dividends kasi niya is manggagaling sa increase in ACS, kaya kailangan ng approval ni SEC. Ayan, and ang expected date of filing ng amended Articles of Incorporation is sa March 22, 2021. So next week na yan. So right now, it is March 15, 2021, di ba? So next week magpa-file na ito si CLI ng kanyang amended ACS, and from the date of filing, we can expect na malapit na ma-approve itong stock dividends natin, kaya kailangan ko na talagang bumili. So, ayun yung ating fundamental analysis, okay? So, bibiling ko sa CLI kasi good yung kanyang financial statement na results. And ayun, meron pa tayong stock dividends, di ba?